All right, so to find the formula of sodium iodide, you first take the name of the metal. All right, nearly always, and I love that word nearly. There's a time it won't be a metal, but we'll come to that when we come to it. So this is a metal, sodium. So as I said right at the start, you make sure you know that group 1 is 1 plus, group 2 will form ions that are 2 plus, group 3 is 3 plus, group 7 is -1, and group 6 is -2. So you go, right, okay, you've got to have a positive ion first. All metals form positive ions. So what's sodium? Sodium's here. It's group 1. So because it's group 1, it is 1 plus. Okay? So you can write it any way you want, but we're going to write it with a number, Na 1 plus. Okay? Iodide over here is the ion of iodine. All right? And find iodine, it's over there. It's in group 7. Its symbol is I, so we write down I, and it is -1. The next thing you do is check, do the numbers cancel out? They've got to be zeros. Zeros that like what you want it to be. It is the coolest, awesomest number ever when it comes to ionic formulas. So 1 minus 1 is 0. I'm happy. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So the formula is sodium, I just need one of them, and iodine, I just need one of them. Okay, I'm going to show you question B, and then I'm going to delete that, but I'm going to leave, this is question A, and I'm going to leave question A on there. All right, so for B, it's asking me for potassium iodide. I've got to find potassium. Potassium's here, it's group 1, and it's K with 1 plus. Okay, I want oxide, and oxide is all the way over here in group 6, and group 6 is -2. All right, so we're going to put O for oxygen, because that's simple, we can see it right in a minute, and it is 2 minuses. Now that is 1 minus 2. It doesn't make 0, it actually makes -1. I'm not happy with that. I want 0. So what I really need is another K plus. I need another potassium ion. And if you think about it, I've got 1 positive there and 1 positive there, so that's 2 positives. I've got 2 negatives there, so if I do 2, take away 2, I end up with 0. And now I'm happy. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So my final formula is potassium. If I look at it, just let me change colour, I've got 2 of them. But look, little 2 there, that means I need 2 potassiums. And oxygen, which is over here, I only needed 1 of them. That's my formula for potassium oxide.